For the regular sponge, you will need 150 grams of self-raising flour, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 150 grams of softened butter and 3 medium eggs. For the chocolate sponge, you will need 120 grams of self-raising flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 150 grams of softened butter and 3 medium eggs. For the buttercream, you will need 250 grams of softened butter, 450 grams of icing sugar and 50 grams of cocoa powder. Put all the regular sponge cake ingredients into a large mixing bowl, then mix until smooth. Like most people, I only have one electric hand mixer, so make this cake first, then the chocolate cake, so you don't have to mess around with cleaning your mixer between uses. Next, make the chocolate sponge the same way as the first. In 2 lined rectangular cake tins, pour both cake mixes into each. Bake in a 180°C preheated oven for about 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Rectangular cakes take a lot more cooking than circular cakes, so if the tops start to brown too much, you can turn the oven down a little and cover the tops carefully in foil, then return to the oven to finish cooking. While the cakes are baking, make the buttercream. Mix the butter until smooth. Add the icing sugar and cocoa, then mix. Taste testing to make sure it is to your liking. You can add more icing sugar or cocoa if needed. You can also use melted chocolate instead of the cocoa altogether for a more chocolatey taste. If the mixture is a bit stiff, you can soften it in the microwave for 10 to 20 seconds. Once smooth, use a spatula to stir in any bits your whisk or mixer missed from the bottom, then leave to one side. Once completely cool, slice off the domes of the 2 cakes. Slice both cakes in half lengthways. Spread a little buttercream on your serving plate to glue the cake into place. Place down the plain cake, then buttercream the inside of it. Place the chocolate cake down next to it, then buttercream down the middle and all over the top. Then, place the next half of plain cake on top of the chocolate cake and buttercream the inside of that one. Place the final piece of chocolate cake down, then buttercream all over the entire cake. If you want, you can pipe on the buttercream instead, or add some sprinkles to make it look better on the outside. For me though, I like it really basic looking on the outside, as the surprise is when you cut open to reveal the inside. Thanks for watching.